Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a Google QR code from your own Google review so that you can hang that one somewhere or put it on tables in your restaurant. But hey, this is very nice to implement in your company. Alright, the first step that you need to do is click here on the 9 dots and click here on Business Profile Manager. First of all, I need to tell you, make sure that you already registrate your business on Google. Otherwise, we can't do this because you need a verified company on your own place to create a review from. So once you did that, go to ask for reviews and then make sure that you click here on this link. You can also make a screenshot and use this QR code, but I will show you a more better way. So copy this link, go to qr/monkey.com and place your URL just right here. Then you can have a lot of options, but for now that's not necessary. But we want to create this QR code. So what we need to do is create QR code. And then right now we click here on download PNG. So right now your QR code is being generated. Please do not refresh or close this window. So we have to wait for a little bit. And then right now we have our QR code as in PNG just right here. So now we can put this QR code everywhere where we need it. And this is the way how you can create a QR review code for yourself. Because right now, if I'm using my phone, I will show you what will happen. But if I use my phone and I scan this QR code, open in Chrome, you can see exactly here the review from my company. So this is how you can do this. Alright, so if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.